AB Sciex is known as a global leader that pushes the limits in mass spectrometry with innovative technology. Launching next-generation proteomics, AB Sciex introduces MS-MS-All with SWATH acquisition, a revolutionary strategy quantifying every peptide or protein in a complex sample using MS-MS data. Many of today's proteomic strategies include techniques like data-dependent acquisition, which quantify peptides by MS data rather than the more selective MS-MS. These techniques suffer from poor reproducibility and bias toward the most intense peptides in a sample. Additionally, quantitation suffers due to high levels of noise and interferences. MS-MS-All with SWATH acquisition is a data-independent acquisition strategy that takes advantage of TOF's unique combination of speed, sensitivity, and dynamic range in MS-MS mode. It offers quantitative MS-MS data for every peptide or protein in a sample, unbiased reproducible quantitation with no sample-specific method development, a complete digital archive of your sample that can be retrospectively interrogated without reacquiring data. MS-MS-All with SWATH acquisition works by transmitting a small window, or swath, for fragmentation prior to high-resolution mass measurement. In this example, a swath of 25 Dalton scans from mass 400 to 1200 in 1.6 seconds, fast enough to deliver up to 15 data points across a typical chromatographic peak. This captures fragmentation for every compound in a sample, while filtering out chemical noise. With unrivaled acquisition speed, the AB Sciex TOF 5600 Plus is the only system capable of stepping the swath across the entire mass range in cycle times that are compatible with fast chromatography. High-resolution extracted ion chromatograms, or XICs, can be drawn for fragment ions from every peptide in the sample. These MRM-like traces can be used for sensitive and accurate quantitation that rivals many triple-quadrupole instruments on the market today, enabling the detection of low-level components that would have been missed in a data-dependent approach. SWATH acquisition solves the common problem of interferences in complex samples. Ions with overlapping interferences can be excluded from quantitative analyses and replaced with clean traces that result in more precise measurements. Another invaluable advantage of MS-MS-All with SWATH acquisition is the creation of a permanent digital archive of every sample. Because SWATH acquisition is not skewed toward any particular subset of components in the sample, data files become permanent records that may be reinterrogated as new hypotheses are posed. No further sample analysis is required. MS-MS-All with SWATH acquisition, ushering in the next generation of proteomics and advancing the analysis of any complex sample with quantitative MS-MS data for every ion in a sample. Unbiased, reproducible quantitation with no sample-specific method development, and a complete digital archive of each sample that can be retrospectively interrogated with no need for reacquiring data. Of course, this technique is not possible on just any mass spectrometer. Only the TOF 5600 Plus system has the right combination of speed, sensitivity, dynamic range, and resolution to acquire such comprehensive MS-MS data, and TOF is only available from AB Sciex.